We're going to show you how to build shelves in a knee wall. We removed the drywall and the studs. We built the base out of 2x6s. We used a drill and a jigsaw to cut holes for electrical outlets. We screwed the base into the floor. We calculated the size for each shelf, and then using our table saw, we cut each shelf. Then we cut the sides of each shelf using our table saw. We primed all the pieces that would be assembled to make the shelves. We marked the end piece of each shelving unit so we would know where to screw each shelf in. We used a template, and so it would be consistent so we could put it together like a puzzle once each section was marked. The fun part was assembling each shelf just like a puzzle and putting them together. We put them together using screws. We had to customize 2 of the shelving units to allow space for the ceiling beam to go through the shelves. We cut part of the back of the shelf and we cut the top of the shelf. It was tedious, but we made it work. Then we put each shelf in place. Using 2x4s, we built a header above the shelves. This will give us a place to screw the drywall into. We installed drywall above the shelves and on each side of the shelves. And of course we had to mud the drywall. We added trim to the bottom, to the top, to the sides, vertical pieces, and then horizontal pieces on the front of each shelf. We gave our shelves a final coat of paint. And here's our new shelves. We're delighted with how they turned out. Click the link in the description to see the corresponding blog posts. For more DIY home improvement projects, visit lifewithneelandsuze.com.